Welcome to our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community. This week, we're going to optimize the second portion of our customization page. I recommend if you have stuff to share, you definitely share your home tab. But if you're new and you do not have anything to share, you might turn it off until you do. It depends on how you like what your home screen looks like. So what that looks like is if right now I have my home tab on. And so that means that I have a home menu tab. So that's here. So if it'll take away this home option and it'll start at videos, and then you'll see all the other tabs. And so I have this here under here, which we're going to go over today, but you could technically shut off the tab, publish it that way. And if you want to publish it, then you go to your view channel and it'll show it without the home. See, it starts a video. And if you don't have a lot to share, that might be the way to go. But hopefully you'll get a large library of things so that you have a lot of people who are going to be searching for your content. Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.